welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. It's nice to have you here with me today. Today, we will be going over a box, an unboxing box from Stitch Fix. So Stitch Fix has just invented two ways to shop with them. The only way before was to do the style quiz, and then you would do some feedback on some pieces, and then their stylist would curate a line for you. Where now they have it done a little differently. They now have, it's new, it's, they curate some pieces for you based on feedback. You may buy everything and anything instantly without the style fee being involved. The style fee, as I mentioned, is $20, or you can buy the annual pass, which is called the Style Pass, for $49. The Style Pass allows you to order as many Stitch Fixes as you want. The Style Pass, you pay $20 every time you order a fix. So let's get started. I'm very excited. I did peek a little bit online. I had to. The box has been here for a couple days. So here we have the bag to send back whatever we do not want. It's already labeled and ready for us. What else do we have? Here is their shop by category flyer. That is another way you can shop through them. And then here's the envelope that always says, oh, hello. It cracks me up. I don't know why. I'm mental. But inside here is different ways to style some of the pieces, along with a note from my stylist. Let's see what they had to say. Hello, Lynn. Happy Fix Day. I hope that this fix has found you doing well and enjoying some summer fun. I saw your request that you were on the hunt for some petite summer dresses. I was able to find you two options, yay, for petite maxi dresses to try out. Oh, I'm excited. The Fortune and Ivy Max knit dress has a pretty floral pattern, and the Love Apella maxi dress is on the brighter side. What do you think of these styles? For a knee-length dress, I thought you would enjoy the Market and Spruce knit dress. The soft pink tones are so fun for summer. I also included two tops for your summer wardrobe as well. I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts on each of these pieces and seeing which ones made it into your wardrobe. XOXO Abby. Well, I'm excited. The dresses look really cute. So they do show me the dresses and how to style them differently. So let's just get into it. Well, and then of course, the invoice. I will keep that handy as we go through the pieces. But I'm excited to get in there. Summer dresses is something very new to me. Dresses in general. I've never been a dress girl. I've never been anybody who wears skirts and dresses. I always wear nice blouses and pants. So I've just recently fallen in love with dresses. I'm excited. So here we go. We'll get rid of that box. Okay. In the summer, these bundles are so small in comparison to the winter months. Okay. I think right here on top is one of the dresses. Yep, this is one of them. It is a petite, which I'm really grateful for. This is cute. I can't wait to try this on for you all. And it looks like it's going to be the right length too. It will be a maxi dress for me. Maxi dresses are really hard for me to find because they always end up dragging on the ground. All right. Then we have this pink one that's knee length she mentioned. The colors are pretty. There's like pink and corals in it. You know, I didn't even mention this brand. This is the one that is the Love Appella, and this is a large petite. So let's see. This knit dress is $78. Okay. So then this pink and coral one, I believe was from Market and Spruce. Yep. And that is, can't be, 58. I thought it was 38. $58. Speaking of prices, that's something that I really appreciate with Stitch Fix, is their prices are what you want them to be. In the style quiz, there is a section where you put your price preferences for each piece, what you want to spend on denim, what you want to spend on a dress. That way you're not getting pieces that are way out of your price range and you fall in love with something that you would never spend money on. So besides pricing, in the style quiz, they also go over sizes, of course. And just so you know, they range from extra small all the way up to 3X. They do carry plus sizes. They carry maternity as well. I didn't know that. I just learned that today. All right, now I think this is one of the blouses, and it's really beautiful. It has a really pretty lace on it. I'll show you the front first. I can tell that I'm gonna wanna keep almost all of this, at least from what I see already. This is a smoky teal, I would say. And look at the back. Can you see that pretty knit? That is gorgeous. Wow. This is my kind of shirt, definitely. I like the floral in it. So it's got different tiny floral pattern. I love it, love it, love it. Now this one is Mason and Bell. And the Mason and Bell top is an extra large, and it is $44. Okay. And Stitch Fix always has free exchanges, free returns, and free shipping. That is a plus. Look at this pretty blouse. I don't know if I'd wear this without thinking of the Flintstones. Wilma wore a dress like this all the time. It's cute, and I'll put it on and see what I think, but it reminds me of the Flintstones. This is a petite top, which I always appreciate. And this is by Paper Moon, which is a very, very good quality line that they always carry. Paper Moon, and that is $38. I like that price. That's a very affordable price for decent quality. Okay. And now I'm excited. Here is another dress, and it's blue. I love blue. Let's see here. And it's got straps to it. That's really pretty. Oh, wow. Okay. And this is a maxi dress as well. So you'll see the straps are on the back of the dress. Oh, that's gonna be gorgeous. And the blue, and it's got a nice coral color to it in the flowers, along with a little bit of green. But the coral and blue is one of my favorite color combinations. Well, I'm excited to get these on and see how they fit. So hang tight, and we're gonna do some try-ons together. All right, so this is item number one, this really pretty lacy tank top. And I think this was Mason and Bell. Now this is an extra large, it's not a petite. And this is, they call it their Tempesta lace detail tank, light green, for $44. I'm thinking of asking if I could get this in a large and not an extra large. There's an awful lot of extra material here that would look cute. Then I worry about this also, my bra showing underneath here, that bothers me. I can't stand to see that. If things fit well, you don't see any of your undergarments. So I like this. I'd like to keep this, but I think I will exchange it in another size. Now these jeans I have on were from my Nordstrom Trunk Club haul, and I will link these jeans. These are not your mother's jeans. They're cute, nice, and I decided to keep them. And then of course I have the shoes on that I kept out of the Trunk Club. I dig them, love them. I'll link those down below as well. All right, try on one more shirt. Okay, so this is the second shirt that they sent me. I quite like it. I got a few things that kind of hold me back. One, the pattern. I actually don't mind animal print, but this reminds me of the Flintstones. I asked my husband about it, and the first thing he said, Flintstones. I just don't think I could keep it in my wardrobe because I don't think I would pull it out and grab for it to wear it. It is a petite. Let me give you the stats on this. This is by Paper Moon. And let's see, it's an extra large petite for $38. Now this extra large doesn't have that much excess material on it. The other thing I don't like about this is there is where you have to tie a bow at the neckline. Let me see if I can just at least show you. Maybe I can't. Here's the strands. So there's two strands you tie in a cute little bow back there. Problem being, if I'm getting dressed by myself, there's no cute bow happening. So I like the shearing on the sleeves. That's real cute. It's just the fact that in my childhood, the Flintstones wore this exact pattern. All right, what I have now is, looks like 3 dresses. We'll get going to those. All right, so this is a maxi dress, and this is petite, but it is dragging on the ground. Now, I typically feel that it should have pockets. This one doesn't, but the fit on this is amazing. And it covers all parts of my bra without any fear of a strap falling out. I think this might be worth getting altered and either getting it cut to a knee-length dress or just bringing it up so that I have a maxi dress and bringing it up maybe probably 6 inches. This dress here this is Lovapella, which is a typical brand for Stitch Fix. And this is their Lynn knit maxi dress, Coral. It's a large petite for $78. I quite like it, and I think this is a keeper with some alterations. All right, we've got 2 more dresses to go. Okay, this is dress number 2. This is by Fortune and Ivy. This is a floor length with a high slit on both sides, which would make this very easy to alter to be the right height for me. The one thing I don't like is how I definitely would need to wear shapewear with this dress. And in summer, that's the last thing any of us girls want to do is pull out shapewear. Then, of course, I would have to pull out the strapless bra for this one. And there are straps in the back. They might be a little twisted. But this is a cute dress. I really quite like it. Fortune and Ivy, they're navy. It's a large petite for $58. A home run for price tag. Not so much for putting on shapewear. All right, last dress. Okay, now this is a cute little just throw on dress, easy peasy. I like this one. This is a petite, it's a large, and this is by Market and Spruce. Let me check the price. Let's see, $58. And I'm wondering if an extra large might make me feel more comfortable, or if I should stick with the large. Comment below. I'm really curious whether I should exchange this, since I am already going to be exchanging this top. Should I exchange this dress for one size up? It hits me at the knee length. It's perfect in every other way, except for it is a little skimming and maybe makes me not feel as confident. So, but comment below, let me know what you think. And I want to thank you very much for spending time with me today. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ding the bell so you know when I do release more videos. That does help my channel. Thanks so much and have a great day.